Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Let us learn how to speak Zulu language. Today we are coming to focus on weather focus. Isimo sezulu. Isimo sezulu. Hello everyone, I welcome you all to our Zulu language lessons. Today we are going to look at weather conditions. By the way, this is Zulu language. We are on lesson 21. Our subtopic is how to learn weather conditions in Zulu language. Asifunde ukukhuluma isimo sezulu. Asifunde ukusho isimo sezulu ngolimi lwesiZulu. Asifunde ukusho isimo sezulu ngolimi lwesiZulu. Well, this is Polyphony Knowledge and Skills. I'm your host, PH Oliphant. You are all welcome. Weather is the state of atmosphere, describing, for example, the degree to which it is hot or cold, it is wet or dry, calm or stormy, clear or cloudy. On Earth, the most weather phenomena occurs in the lowest layer of the planet's atmosphere. So, weather refers to day-to-day temperature, precipitation, and the other atmospheric conditions. Whereas climate is the term for the averaging of atmospheric conditions over longer period of time. So when used without qualification, weather is generally understood to mean the weather of Earth. Now, let us begin our today's lesson. Well, this is isimo sezulu. Isimo sezulu, that is what you call it, weather. So weather in Zulu is called isimo sezulu. So in English, when it is raining, they say it is raining. But in isiZulu, we say liyana. Liyana. When they say it is cold in English, in Zulu we say liyabanda. Liyabanda. When it is hot, in isiZulu we say liyashisa. Liyashisa. Liyashisa, which means it is hot. Liyashisa. So when it is drizzling, in isiZulu we say liyakiza. Liyakiza. So when it is warm, in Zulu we say lifudumele. 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 When it is sunny, in Zulu we say libalele. 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 When it is windy, we say linomoya. 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 Okay. Storm. What do we call a storm in Zulu? A storm in isiZulu, we say liyaduma. 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 Lightning. When there is lightning, when the lightning strike, we say liyabanika. 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 You get it? Okay. Heavy rain. So when it is pouring heavy rain, we say yizikhukhula, 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 yizikhukhula. You get it right. So now let us know. It is snowing. When it is snowing, we say in Zulu, liyakitika, liyakitika, liyakitika. Right, liyakitika. So guys, please do not forget to subscribe. Your view as you are viewing this video is okay, but then please guys subscribe so that you won't miss the next videos, because there are still a lot of videos to come. Let us recap. It is raining, liyana. It is cold, liyabanda. It is hot, liyashisa. It is drizzling, liyakitika. It is warm, lifudumele. It is sunny, libalele. It is windy, linomoya. It is stormy, or there's a storm, liyaduma. It is lightning, there is a lightning, liyabanika, liyabanika. It is a heavy rain, or it is pouring heavy rain. That is, in Zulu, izikhukhula, izikhukhula. There is snow. It is snow. It is snowing. Liyakitika, liyakitika. Well, that is all we need to know when it comes to weather conditions. Now it is your time to practice what we learned today until you are perfect. Revise this video until you understand it fully. Repeat this video until you are satisfied. So, don't forget to push those likes buttons. The most important thing is to subscribe so that you won't miss the next videos. Also share this video to your friends and families and to others that you feel they need or they want to learn or they are willing to learn Zulu language. What is very important is this. When you subscribe to our YouTube channel, it does not mean that you are going to pay anything. Our subscriptions are free. It is the only confirmation that you will receive the next videos. So please subscribe as much as you can, but only one subscribe in this channel. So subscribe is just a way to support us. So please do. I hope you enjoyed this wonderful lesson. Thank you very much. See you on the next video. Do not miss out. The things are getting good.